Hi guys, so in this episode, I'm going to be sharing a useful tip that I just discovered. This is a website that you can host meetings for free, and guess what? It's unlimited. Unlike other sites that when you don't subscribe, you don't get access to unlimited meetings. This site helps you to, break that barrier. Though you can still subscribe on the channel. As you can see, I'm currently using this plan, which is the free plan, and it's $0. First, you want to create an account with the platform. I've used this to host a meeting before, so I'm just going to use my existing link. Click on it. You can also go ahead to download the desktop app, but I'm going to be using my browser, so I'll continue with my browser here. This is how it's going to look. You can set your microphone, you can turn on your camera here. Currently I have my camera turned off. Just copy your meeting link here and share with whoever you want to share that link with.